In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add credit card as a payment method on Shopify. Okay, this is going to be an easy and quick tutorial. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, so that's exactly the first step. That's what I'm going to do right now. Now, after that, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, so next up, guys, you want to click on payments, as you can see here, and it's going to take you guys to this page. And here is the place where you can add a credit card as a payment method, or you can add other providers like other payment methods. Okay, so you can either accept, like, you can accept Visa payments, you can accept MasterCard payments, you can accept American Express. Now this is exactly what you need, guys. So after you are on this page, if you have here Shopify payments in the top, that means you can like enable Shopify payments to accept all kind of payment methods, including credit card, okay, or debit card, MasterCard. Like, you can, all kind of payment methods will be accepted on your Shopify store after you enable Shopify payments. You can also add here your bank account to receive payments, as you can see. After you get sales on Shopify, after that, you can then withdraw money to your bank account using Shopify payments. Okay, so if you don't have here Shopify payments, that means you are living in a country where Shopify payments is not available. So what you guys need to do in this case, you can choose other providers. If you click here on additional payment methods, if you click on add method, you can search here, but like for example Visa. If you want to accept like Visa payments, you can just add Visa here, remove it. Okay, now we have added Visa. Now I'm going to accept, for example, MasterCard payments. Okay, now as you can see, after you search for the payment methods you want to accept on your Shopify store, then you will see here like providers that offer these payment methods, because you can just add here a MasterCard or alone. Okay, you can just add MasterCard, you can just add your like information or something like that. You will have to choose a provider that will help you accept these kind of payments, which is Visa card and MasterCard. You can also choose here to search for another payment method, like for example Bitcoin. Okay, so after you search for Bitcoin, you will see like providers that will help you accept these kind of payments, including Visa card, MasterCard, Bitcoin. As you can see, the only provider that helps me like accept Bitcoin and MasterCard and Visa card is Bankful. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do. You want to choose which provider you want to use. Okay, and here you want to search payment methods that you want to accept on your Shopify store. Like if we want to accept Visa and MasterCard, as you can see, if you scroll down, you will find a lot of providers that help you accept this kind of payment methods. Okay, so this is exactly what you need to do. As you can see, credit card, debit card payments via Paynamics. Okay, so if you click on this, as you can see, you can create an account on here, and then you can just find all the like so that you can like go to that provider and you can add your bank account to receive payments, and also the provider will help you add these kind of payment methods on your Shopify. Okay, so that like customers will be able to purchase products from you using their credit card or Visa card or MasterCard. Okay, this is exactly what you need. Okay, so if you have like Shopify payments here in the top, that means you can just enable Shopify payments, and it's the best. Okay, so there is no other provider better than Shopify payments, because the transaction fee, as you can see here, is zero transaction fee, as you can see. So that's exactly why a lot of people use Shopify payments, but this is not going to be, like I said, available on all countries. If you click here or search by payment method, I'm going, for example, to accept Visa and MasterCard, and as you can see, most of these providers, they charge a transaction fee of 2%. As you can see, they all charge 2%, but they help you accept this kind of payment methods, as you can see. Now guys, this is exactly how you can add like credit card as a payment method. Like I said, you will have to choose a provider that will help you accept these credit card payments. Okay, there is no way to do that without choosing a provider. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. Like if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so if you live in a country and you don't know which provider you can choose, go to the comments below and tell me exactly where you live and ask me any question in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so if this video guys helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video. Like I said, go to the comments below and tell me about your questions. See you guys next one.